What's up, guys? What's up? Welcome back to Stacy and D's channel. If you're new here for the first time, I want to say a pleasant welcome to you, a warm welcome to you. Thanks for stopping by on Stacy and D's channel. So Stacy and D's channel is about Stacy and her little family. Yeah, so welcome. If you're new here, please to go ahead and subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so that when I post a video you'll get notified. And when you do so, please to put the options. You're gonna see 3 options. Put it on all so you won't miss any of my uploads. Yes guys, so today I want to say welcome back to my old subscribers as well. I'm not gonna leave you out, guys. You guys are amazing. Keep on supporting the channel. And to my silent watchers, welcome back. Yes guys, so today I am in the kitchen, and you all know this segment I call it Stacy's cooking show. So if you're new here for the first time, whenever I cook and bake and make juices, I call that segment Stacy's cooking show. So yes, I am back in the kitchen once more, and I'm about to make I should call this fruit pudding. I'm about to make a fruit pudding. And guys, when I do put my stuff together, I don't try to copy anybody. I like to add like different mixtures of things when I'm baking. Yeah, so basically I invent my own stuff. So I'm gonna make a fruit pudding, and I'm gonna tell you guys in a short while my ingredients. I'm gonna tell you guys my ingredients for making this. This is just a mixture. I already butter my tin over here. My tins, more than one. I'm gonna make 2. Yes, so I am gonna bake a fruit pudding. I am excited to see the outcome because I've never mixed some of these mixtures before together. I haven't put some of these together before. Yes, so sorry, I have the electric mixer, but I just chose to use my hand to mix this today. But it's getting me so tired. But I'm almost finished with the mixing of it. Yes, so guys, let me just go ahead and tell you guys my ingredients after I'm gonna mix this out some more. Yes guys, so you are ready to hear my ingredients, guys. So in this mixture I have cranberries, I have bananas, strawberries, blueberries, and I have butter, salt, sugar. I did not use much sugar because I use some of these stuff too. These are Oreos, guys. Oreo. Yes, so I use some of these in it as well. So I did not use too much sugar. So we have oil, we have coconut milk in it as well, and I have vanilla, nutmeg, almond essence. What did I leave out? I have eggs. What did I leave out? A little bit of water, of course, that go in the mixture, like in the fruits. So yeah, I use a little bit of water to blend the fruits out. Yeah, so if I remember anything I add which I did not say on this vlog, I will just put it in when I'm editing the video. Yes guys, so I'm just excited to see the outcome and how this will taste. Yes, so I'm just gonna finish mix this out and put it in the bake tin, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven, and when it's ready I'm gonna show you guys the outcome. So like I said before, this is gonna be a fruit pudding, guys. Okay, fruit pudding. Just stay tuned. Have you ever heard about fruit pudding before, guys? Have you all ever heard about fruit pudding before? I think I made this one up. Fruit cake. Well, this is fruit pudding. Okay, stay tuned guys for the outcome. Yes guys, I said I was gonna make 2 pudding, but I end up turning it out into 3 because they were too full up and I don't want them to spill in the oven. So I have 3 containers, 3 baking tins of fruit pudding. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna turn this one out to be a different type. So I'm gonna add some Hershey syrup, right? Hershey chocolate syrup in this one right here. So the other 2 is gonna remain just the same way how you see them earlier on the vlog. Yeah, they're gonna remain in the state that I mix them into. So this one is just gonna be having like some chocolate in this one. Yeah, so just stay tuned for the outcome. And if you're new here, guys, please to go ahead, feel free to subscribe. Thanks for coming, guys. I appreciate you all. All three are in the oven right now, guys. So the chocolate one is on top and we have those two down there. Stay tuned for the outcome. So since I'm vlogging, guys, let me just show you all my Cowfoot with red peas. This is it right here, guys. We have some red peas in it, but I just tested and it can cook a little bit softer, so I'm just gonna let it pressure some more. I don't like when it's too tough nor too soft. I'm just gonna pressure it just a little more. So stay tuned, guys, for the outcome of my fruit pudding. Yeah, see what's going on in the oven. So guys, let me update you on my puddings. I have to take out the one that I made with the chocolate because that one is ready. It was less mixture in that baking tin, so these have more, so they take longer to bake. So just stay tuned, guys. So guys, I'm about to make some carrot rice. Sorry, I've made pumpkin rice before. I've never tried a carrot rice, so I'm gonna go ahead and try the carrot. Yes, guys, my pot is well seasoned over here, waiting for my carrots. I'm just gonna wait until this started to boil up, and I'm gonna add my carrot, and then I'm gonna wash my rice and put in my rice. So if you can figure out how I season my pot so far, tell me what I have in here. Just comment down below and let me know what you see so far in my pot, guys. Yes, so stay tuned, guys, for the outcome. Yes, guys, the carrot rice going on fine. So early on, guys, when I tell you to guess the seasons I have in my pot, it was butter, scallion, and what again I did have there, and some black pepper, yes, with some grace cock soup, yes, just to spice it up a little. I use some grace cock soup in it, and this is just my style of cooking, guys. I don't know what your style of cooking is like. Everybody cook different. Yeah, everybody add different things to their pot, and this is me. I love to try out different things, cooking, baking. I like to try out different things. Yes, that is me, guys. So stay tuned for the outcome. The pumpkin rice is going down nice, so guys, as you can see, sorry, pumpkin rice, I mean carrot rice. I've made pumpkin rice several times before, but this is my first time trying carrot in the rice, so excuse me for that. But carrot rice is going down nicely. Just stay tuned for the outcome, guys. Guys, I must let you know this flour here, right here, it is the best. It's my first time using the King Arthur Baking Company flour and bleach bread flour, and these are the things down here that it says good for, ideal for yeast bread, pizza crust, rolls, and more. So this is my first time baking with this flour, guys, and it's awesome. So I was expecting to get pudding, but to me it seems like a cake. But I'm gonna leave it to you all to let me know in the comment section if it looked like pudding or cake, guys. If it was for the all-purpose flour, that is the flour I always use to bake, cook, and just do anything with, the all-purpose flour, I'm definitely sure I would get pudding. But this flour is the best. So it turned out to be cake, because I definitely was making the mixture like a pudding, but it turned out to be cake. But let me know in the comment section if it looked like a cake to you or pudding. So since this was the first one that came out the oven, my kids eat half of it already. So this was just a small, see guys, it's very thin. Yes, this was a chocolate one, guys. As you can see, look at the difference. It's a bit darker, right? So this is the chocolate one, and this one is very cool out. I really can hold it in my hand. It was out a long time ago. So we have these two right here. I did not add anything to change the color, so this is the natural color of it. And here is the next one right here. Yes, so don't mind the padding up with the dish towels, guys. I don't want the plastic to be burned. Yes, because these are still hot. These two right here are still hot. This is almost cool, just a little bit hot, but not unbearable. Wow, it is unbearable. Anyway, I just want to show you guys the back of it. At the back, that is what the back is looking like, guys. Yes, this is it. And this is what the top is looking like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this and put it in this plate. That is 3 pieces of the chocolate one, and then we have another one here. So guys, if you have made it this far in the video, stay tuned for the outcome of my cow foot and my carrot rice. Remember to thumbs up the video, subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching, guys. Welcome guys to my channel. So this is my cow foot with red peas, carrot rice, steamed vegetables and raw vegetables. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, share it out if you can, and subscribe if you're new. Thank you. This is it guys. So this is the result of my fruit pudding slash cake. You decide which is it guys, which one does it look like to you in the comment section. Remember to thumbs up the video, share out the video. Tell a friend to tell another friend about Stacy and the Days channel. I'm out for now, guys. Bye.